The Tesla Model Pi is a smartphone that will transform the mobile phone market, just as Tesla automobiles have revolutionized the automobile industry. When Elon Musk is the man behind Tesla's Model Pi, the kings of the smartphone industry, such as Apple, Huawei, and Samsung, have reason to be concerned. After all, producing smartphones isn't rocket science, and Musk's SpaceX company builds rockets. The Tesla Model Pi is unstoppable, thanks to the tech genius's brilliance and great money, and powerful capabilities make it appealing. But before we continue, make sure to keep yourself informed and engaged by subscribing to the channel, clicking the notification bell, and turning on all notifications so you won't miss our latest uploads. Extremely tough. Because it is quote-unquote forged by fire, the Tesla smartphone is extremely impact resistant. When the phone slips from your grip, you won't have to worry about a damaged screen. Consider this. You can now afford to spend the money you've saved on the screen repair on a burger down the block because it'll be unheard of. See in the dark features. 4 cameras on the Tesla phone Model Pi uses artificial intelligence to brighten a pitch black area. It also includes a high-resolution front camera that is built into the screen. It's the ideal phone for taking selfies and sharing them on social media. The selfie made with the Tesla phone will be memorable. High-speed internet and security. The Tesla smartphone Pi will be connected to Starlink, Tesla's satellite internet service provider. Download speeds of 210 megabytes per second are possible with a Tesla smartphone. When using the Tesla Model Pi, users will have access to 5G services. Charge from the sun. A clear and transparent solar panel is integrated in the back of the phone. The technology will make efficient use of solar energy. Electric-powered phones will be swiftly replaced with solar-powered Tesla phones, encouraged by climate change and green energy advocates. You can now save the hassle of taking your phone charger wherever you go. Even soldiers in the desert may use the sun to charge their Tesla phones and communicate. It's pretty simple. Your phone will be charged as long as the sun shines. Mars Coin. Owning a Tesla Model Pi phone puts the Bitcoin era in perspective. You can mine Tesla's cryptocurrency Mars Coin with this device. Everyone wants to make money, and making money with Mars Coin will be quite exciting. Musk is creating a new world that is rapidly taking shape. His desire to explore Mars is truly inspiring. Who knows? Maybe Elon's Mars can use Mars Coin as its currency. Who wouldn't want to go visit Mars, buy there, and perhaps live there? Perhaps it will all start with getting that virtual reality by using the Tesla Model Pi phone to transact Mars Coin. Brain and computer interface. The phone and the brain will be connected with Tesla's smartphone. Users will be able to control their phones simply by thinking about them, thanks to Neuralink technology. Information from individuals on phones will be relayed quickly. The Tesla Model Pi phone will be useful in facilitating communication with accident victims who can think but cannot speak. Doctors can easily use their Tesla phone and read the commands displayed on the screen. It's exciting to consider how a cell phone will drastically alter medical treatment in the future. Only the Tesla Model Pi is capable of making such a transformation. Vehicle control. Tesla's automobiles will be controlled via the Tesla Model Pi smartphone. The Tesla phone will connect your EVs to the internet. For the greatest experience, the Tesla phone will allow you to remotely control your Tesla car. Storage. Tesla's smartphone features a 2TB internal storage capacity, allowing you to store all of the data you download with a built-in Wi-Fi. To think about it, why download anything when the phone will be linked to Wi-Fi 24 hours a day, 7 days a week? Perhaps for good reason. When watching your favorite shows, you may need to download to eliminate those annoying pop-up ads. Whatever the case may be, the phone has enough storage space to accommodate the high display photographs you'll capture with the high-quality lenses. The Tesla SIM card. It's unclear whether the Tesla Model Pi will use SIM cards. It's feasible that the futuristic phone will not require a SIM card to function. Tesla smartphone owners, according to Musk, do not need to save contacts on their phones. Making call to friends who will be relocating to Mars will be both entertaining and incredible. The exterior and cover of the phone. The exterior of Tesla's smartphone is believed to be comprised of metallic materials, giving it a metallic feel. With such an exterior, the phone's security will be substantially enhanced. Musk will also incorporate technologies and apply a photochromic coating on the phone. The photochromic feature will allow the Tesla Model Pi to change color in response to its surroundings. Security. When it comes to using a smartphone, nothing is more important than its security. In this era of Internet of Things or IoT, you can't afford to take chances with your phone security. If you put your phone security at danger, you might lose your money, login passwords, and personal information, and businesses could lose secret production information to hackers. If a hacker gained access to your Facebook account and began publishing pornography, it would be inconvenient and embarrassing. The Tesla Model Pi smartphone is equipped with cutting-edge security technologies that ensure your privacy and security when browsing. Encryption is embedded into the phone. After all, the phone will have built-in Wi-Fi, which considerably minimizes the risk of being hacked when using public Wi-Fi. Starlink, another Tesla subsidiary, will provide the fast and secure Wi-Fi. For utmost security, Elon Musk is doing everything he can to ensure that the phone is only supported by Tesla-affiliated companies. When utilizing regular smartphones, the end-to-end encryption capabilities will prevent anyone from spying on you. Only the sender and receiver have access to the communication due to the security feature. Neither Tesla nor anyone will be able to see your messages. You can be confident that your privacy will be protected with the Tesla Model Pi. We'll have to wait and see how the phone's global positioning system or GPS works. Since it will be used both on Earth and Mars, is it GPS for all cell phones or multi-global positioning system for all other Tesla Model Pis? Earth and Mars are both planets, according to the science teacher at the school down the street. You won't have to worry about being hacked or tracked with a Tesla Model Pi. Model Pi designers at Tesla. Before we get into the phone's cutting-edge functions, we should acknowledge the phone's creative merits. Antonio De Rosa. He is the powerful phone's principal designer. His extensive experience in smartphone design has aided in the creation of a sleek Tesla concept cell phone. The phone has an iPhone-like look. It's simply not a coincidence. Antonio De Rosa's ADR studio is well known for developing numerous Apple products. The Model Pi from Tesla is a game changer. The rivalry between Tesla and Apple is certain to heat up in the coming days, with Elon Musk tasked with building Tesla's smartphone. It's important to remember that Apple turned down the opportunity to buy Tesla when the company was at its lowest point. While producing its Model 3 electric vehicle, Tesla ran out of funds. Elon Musk claims that Tim Cook, the CEO of Apple, refused to meet with him and afterwards claimed that he was unaware of the meeting. Think about it. What if Apple had purchased Tesla in 2016? Tesla Model Pi is most likely the iPhone of the future. Musk is most likely pursuing retribution by entering the cellular sector. Apple will undoubtedly be challenged by the Tesla Model Pi. As time passes, the contest between Tesla and Apple appears to be becoming more exciting. It's also been reported that Apple is working on a self-driving electric vehicle. The rivalry between the two tech behemoths will be a blockbuster that every tech enthusiast will eagerly watch. The Tesla Model Pi will revolutionize not only the cell phone market, but the entire tech industry. The impact of Tesla's phone is mind-blowing, not just game-changing. When Tesla makes a move, the rest of the world takes notice. It won't be any different with a Tesla Model Pi. Certainly, Tesla Model Pi is set to revolutionize the smartphone industry and beyond. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one, and remember, keep living life bullish.